Hey, what's up guys? This is Riel Marc from Mackun Tutorials, and today we are going to make a glitter brush in Adobe Photoshop. But before that, I just want to let you know that this is a continuation to my previous upload, which is how to make a diamond pattern overlay. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, which means a lot to me, and let's get started. Okay, to begin with, let's create a new document and set the height and width to 2500 pixels and create. But before that, let's select first our brush, and this time we're going to use soft round brush. And go to our brush settings and check the shape dynamics. Set the control to pen pressure and leave everything to 0. Next, set our brush size. You can also use the left bracket key and the right bracket key to adjust the brush sizes. After you set the brush size, let's go ahead and select our pen tool. And then let's create a new layer and let's draw a straight line. Left click on your mouse and then hold shift key on your keyboard so that you get the perfect straight line, and then set our foreground color to black and right click and then select stroke path and then check the simulate pressure and set it to brush, and there you go. And now let's select the first layer that we've made by pressing Ctrl A, select all, and then using our move tool, we center the image. And now we're going to deselect. Once deselected, we're going to duplicate to layer 1, and then let's use our free transformation tool, which is Ctrl T on your keyboard, and rotate. By holding shift key on your keyboard, you get the smoothness of the rotation. And repeat the process as we did on the layer 1. And this time we're going to create the same step as we did on the layer 1, but with a smaller brush size. Create a new layer, simulate pressure and set the brush, and then rotate using our free transformation tool. Duplicate and rotate. And now we are almost done, guys. Okay, let's go ahead and select again our brush and increase the size and create a new layer. And single click on your mouse and center the layer by Ctrl A, select all, and then using our move tool to center the layer, and then deselect. Then select all the active layers and merge them all. Okay, and select again by pressing Ctrl A, and then let's go to edit and find brush presets, and then you can name whatever you want, and we're done.